Host: This butterfly's wings aren't just beautiful, they can change color depending on the light. Friend: Are you saying it's like a living hologram? Host: Exactly. Nature's own magic trick right before our eyes. Friend: That's wild. I need to see this in person. Host: Let's go find one. It'll be an adventure.
Once upon a sunny morning, a little rabbit hopped into the garden and met a curious cat. At first, they just stared at each other, one twitching whiskers, the other twitching ears. But then, the cat gently sat down, and the rabbit snuggled close. From that day on, they played, napped, and explored together, proving that friendship knows no species.
Host: These penguins travel 70 miles just to find food for their chicks. Friend: And you complain about walking to the fridge. Host: Seriously, they trek through ice and snow all for their little ones. Friend: Meanwhile, I can't even make it to the couch without a snack break. Host: It's all about dedication, my friend. We could learn a thing or two from them. Friend: Yeah, like how to be more motivated, or just how to waddle. Did you know lions can sleep for 20 hours a day? Wait, then when do they actually hunt? It's wild to think about how much time they spend resting. I guess when you're the king of the jungle, you can afford to nap. But seriously, those few hours of hunting must be intense. Imagine waking up just to chase down your next meal. Nature really knows how to balance work and rest, huh? Next time you feel guilty for napping, just think of the lions. Did you know that elephants have incredible memories? One remarkable story just surfaced about an elephant named Nandi. After being separated from her family for 20 years, she was reunited with her long-lost friend, a fellow elephant named Nandi. The moment they met, Nandi recognized her friend instantly. They embraced with such joy, showcasing the deep bonds they share. This reunion highlights not just their emotional intelligence, but also their ability to remember faces and places over decades. Elephants truly embody the saying, "Elephants never forget," and this heartwarming tale proves it. Did you know sharks existed before trees appeared on Earth? Yeah, they're older than forests. Let's dive into some cool shark facts. Step 1. Sharks have been around for over 400 million years. Step 2. They survived 5 mass extinctions. Final step. They're still swimming strong today. So next time you see a shark, remember, they're ancient survivors. Pretty wild, right? Share this with a friend who needs to know. Did you know some deer can grow an entire new set of antlers every year? That's like regrowing arms annually. Let's break it down in 3 steps. Step 1. Understand the antler growth cycle. These majestic creatures shed their antlers in winter, preparing for a fresh start. Step 2. Learn about the nutrients they need. Calcium and protein are key for strong antlers, just like us needing vitamins. Final step. Appreciate the beauty of nature's renewal. So next time you see a deer, remember their incredible transformation. So, did you know there's an insect that can survive being frozen solid for months? Wait, what? Yeah, it's like an ice zombie. Let me show you how it does it in 3 steps. Step 1. It enters a state of suspended animation. Step 2. It produces antifreeze proteins to protect its cells. Final step. When it thaws, it comes back to life like nothing happened. Isn't nature wild? So, next time you think you're having a rough day, remember the ice zombie. Host, did you hear about the octopus that escaped from an aquarium? Friend, wait, it outsmarted humans? Host, yep. It slipped through a drain pipe like it was nothing. Friend, that's insane. How did it even think of that? Host, I guess it just wanted to be free. Friend, now I'm curious about what else they can do. Imagine there's a snake that can glide through the air without wings. It's called the flying snake. And it's not just a clever name. Snake, found in Southeast Asia, can launch themselves from trees and glide up to 100 meters. Tree branches. They flatten their body for distances of up to almost like a parachute, and steer themselves by adjusting their series of S. Imagine soaring through the tree. It catches the air just and turning with grace. So it's a remarkable adaptation that helps them escape predators and hunt for food. It's more like a master of aerial acrobatics. They may not have wings, its unique snakes are the ultimate aerial acrobats of the animal kingdom. Nature never ceases to amaze.